guys, I'm Katie. So I've been keeping a secret from you for a while. I've been in Berlin for a couple of days last week, so let's just get into the packing. So here's all of my clothes laid out. Here's my packing list if you want to pause and read it. Here are my beautiful, cute dog sheets. They're so cute. I just want to tell you guys that I'm a fluffy socks hoarder. Here, not even all of my fluffy socks right here. These are one of my favorite. They say Rocking Robin on them. I'll show you. Here's the front. It says Rocking Robin and it has a robin there. Then it says Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I know they're Christmas socks, but whatever, I love them. First, I have these fluffy pajamas. Used a two-piece set. It's a skirt and a jumper. They're so cute. Here's another jumper. I'll show you. It's so pretty. I have some jeans, and I have two pairs of black leggings. Then I have my socks, as I showed you. And then I have some t-shirts, and I have this really cute hat. Then all I'm doing is just packing away everything into my school bag instead of a suitcase. Done. So here are all of my accessories here. Let's pack. It's so hard trying to decide which hand sanitizer I want to use. This is my video plan for this video. So here are my toiletries. I really meant makeup and hand sanitizer and lip balms. I nearly forgot my hairbrush. Wow, Katie, what an idiot you are. Okay, update. So I had to stop recording for a while because it was just getting way too bright, and also I needed to charge my phone. So the next category is going to be entertainment. I'm going to bring this notebook. I'll show you a drawing that I did like yesterday. It's of the Sorting Hat from Harry Potter. I think it's really good. Tell me what you think. And I also have my pencil case that I actually made. Didn't make it on camera because it was very difficult to make. So I have, oh yeah, we had a Halloween thing at school, so I just brought a lipstick to top up, but whatever. I just have a USB, I have my markers, I have a scissors, and I have some coloring pencils. I have this really cute roll-up pencil case that I made on my DIY school supplies video. So here's the painting. It's really cute. And here is what is inside it. And then yeah, that's it, I think. So let's just pack that away. Then we're pretty much done. Here's me trying to get a time lapse of our car drive there, but it was 5 a.m. in the morning. Okay, don't blame me for having not very good lighting.
Hey, it's me.
Haha, because I'm rubbish, you know. Huh. Here's a kind of pointless time lapse of nothing happening outside of the plane. Yay. I got my little shelf organized in our hotel room. It's all my stuff. Here's outside of our hotel room, and here's kind of the lobby, I guess. And there's a place. And then here's a few more places. Then we went to this cute little cafe for breakfast. It was so cute. I got an eclair and I got some water. Save the turtles. And then here's the little hall, I guess, of our hotel. Here's our hotel room, which is slightly messy, but that's okay, you know. We'd been staying in there for like 3 days when I filmed that. Here's a time lapse of me being on the bus, and there's Berlin Zoo, and that's like a big thing. It's so cool. Don't ask me what this thing is. I have no idea. I just passed by it. Here's Checkpoint Charlie. Sorry, people who are in this video. I got some lemonade in this place. And look at these mini forks. They're so cute. They're adorable. And then I got some chicken nuggets. And then I got some sweet potato fries because sweet potato fries are my life. And there's my lemonade. Then we went into this place called Game Science Center. That's all one word, I guess. And it was really fun. It was just like games, and it wasn't really anything to do with science. It was just like fun games to play in a little center, I guess. But I definitely recommend it if you are going to Berlin anytime soon. So yeah. And here's a fun facial recognition thingy. I got some sweets too. Then we were headed for Primark. Yes, that blue light is Primark. There it is. It's my favorite shop in the world, only it's called Pennies in Ireland. And there's my shopping bag. I'll show you a little haul now. Mini haul. Got a new purse. It's really nice. I got 2 sets of fake nails. I got some teal matte ones, and then I got some really glossy leopard ones. They're really nice. Then I got a nail oil pen. Then I got this cranberry like lip balm, lip scrub kind of thing. Then I got this I Heart Berlin hand sanitizer, hand gel, whatever. Then I got this really cute like headband kind of thing. It's really nice. Then I got this really cute Berlin t-shirt, and it's from Primark, obviously. I got a size small, which is a size up from what I'd probably usually get, which is an extra small, because I like oversized t-shirts, you know, Visco girls. My brother hates Visco girls. Then I got this gel kind of face mask because I was just feeling like a bit of skincare. It's been chilling in the fridge for a while, and I need to put it back in there so I can put it on my face and have a little face mask night. By the way, happy Halloween! I'm not going to be going trick-or-treating tonight. As you can probably tell, I just got back from Penny's, or Primark as people say. There's Marie. The next morning, we went to this restaurant called Alex for breakfast. I got some rashers, some pancakes, and I got a donut and a jam donut, and I got some orange sheets, I think. It looks really nice. Then I got this hot chocolate. I also got this fruit salad kind of thing with melon and apple. It's really nice. I got 2 rounds of that. Then I was all done. It was all so nice, and I definitely recommend the restaurant Alex. Then we went to the Deutsches Spionage Museum, which is German spy museum, and that was really cool too. Here's a guy, you know. This guy must have been really popular. I made that myself. I put this together myself. It was fun. Was that one thing? Oh my god. Then we went into a shopping center, and that was fun too. And look at this beautiful holographic blue notebook. I am in love with it, though I didn't buy it. Look at all these touristy kind of shops. It's crazy. Hedwig like Harry Potter's owl. Yay, Harry Potter. Then we went into this Christmas shop, and it was so cool. I just had to take a few videos of it. Let's get me an iPhone 11 Pro. Thanks, bye. Marco! Polo! I want them. Any of you, save the turtles, Visco girl. Then I got some more sweet potato fries. I just love sweet potato fries on some Fanta. I just got some Black Forest scat. Then I just got some final shots of Berlin. then we left. I really enjoyed going to Berlin, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you ever go on a trip in the future, then I really hope you enjoy yourself there. And thanks for watching. Bye!